welcome back to my channel, and I am back with another exciting video. When we take a look at a black smoky eye, we simply love how it adds a glam quotient to the face. Yet, whenever we have to try the same look on ourselves, we hesitate. Mainly because the black color looks too stark and we do not want to risk looking too made up or too glammed up for the event that we are attending. So one of the easiest and most convenient alternatives would be to go for a brown smoky eye. The brown smoky doesn't look as stark as a black one, and it also adds that same glam quotient as a black one. So today I am going to be sharing this subtle brown smoky eye look, which is super quick and easy to achieve, and you can wear it with any kind of outfit or to any event that you are going to attend. So let's not waste any further time and jump right into it. But before we get started, if you are new to my channel, I am Param, a professional makeup artist, and I post videos on makeup and hairstyling. Please take a minute to subscribe to my channel and also hit that bell icon to turn on the notifications. Now let's get started with the brown smoky eye look. On my face, I've already completed applying my base and also filled in my eyebrows. If you're interested in knowing how I fill my eyebrows, I will be linking the video in the I button above and also in the description box below, so you can go and have a look at it. Now I'm going to begin my eye makeup by first prepping my eyes, for which I'm going to be applying a concealer and setting it with a powder. So I'm going to be using the matte Studio Fix concealer in the shade NC44. To set the concealer in place, I am applying a very thin layer of powder, and I am using the Chanel loose powder. To begin with, I am using a black kajal pencil from Forever 52 and tight lining my eyes. Now, using the same black kajal pencil, apply a thin line of kajal on your eyelids as close to the lash line as possible. Don't worry if it's not super neat, we are going to smudge it anyway. Next, I am using the Narcissist eyeshadow palette, and using a thin flat brush, I am picking a very small amount of the black eyeshadow. And then I am using this brush to gently smudge out the black kajal line that I have applied on my eyelid. Doing the same on my lower lash line. Next, I am using another flat brush and picking up the dark brown shade and applying it on the edges of the black color. Now picking a light brown shade and applying it on my crease line. Blend it out completely. Also applying the same eyeshadow on my lower lash line. Now using a shimmery shade, I am going to be applying it on my inner corners as well as under the arch of my eyebrows to brighten the eyes a bit. Finally, I am going to curl my lashes and apply mascara, and I am using the Climax mascara from NARS. And that's it, you guys. That's the soft brown smoky eye look that I wanted to share with you today. Isn't it super quick and easy? You can create it in less than 5 minutes. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please hit that thumbs up button for me, and also share this video with your family and friends. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe and also hit that bell icon to turn on the notifications. If you do try this look, don't forget to tag me on my Instagram handle @ParamNC. I will also be waiting for your wonderful comments and suggestions. Thank you for watching this video. I will see you in my next one. Until then, I love you guys so much. Take care and stay safe. Bye bye.